Hi, I'm Mortigal Joe, and today we're going to be making some fun soaps and learning lots of maths. So my recipe tells me that 1/4 of the soap base is equal to 250 grams. 250 grams is equal to 1/4 of the soap base. How many kilograms of soap base will I need in total? So I know 1/4 is 250 grams. So to find the whole, I need to do 250 grams times 4, because 4/4 equals 1 whole. 250 times 4 equals 1,000. 1,000 grams. 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So I need 1 kilogram of soap base. So well done. So now if you're a child, please get an adult to cut up the soap for you. You're going to cut up all the soap into little cubes and then get some microwavable containers ready, such as a glass dish. Now I know that the whole equals 1 kilogram. All of the soap base is equal to 1 kilogram. And I would like 1/3 of the soap base to be coloured pink. So how many grams is 1/3 of 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So now we just need to find out what 1/3 of 1,000 grams is. And that is 333.3 recurring grams. My weighing scales won't measure 0.3, so I'm rounding down to 333 grams, because 3 is less than 5, so we round down. So I want 333 grams of my soap base to be pink. So firstly I'm going to weigh out 333 grams. Make sure you put your container on and then put the weighing scale back to 0 before you then measure out your 333 grams. Perfect. So now I put it in the microwave at 10:30, and it needs to be in there for 2 minutes. So what will the time be when it's finished? That's right, the time is 10:32. Within that time, I stirred the soap base every 30 seconds. So how many times did I stir the soap base? That's right. Within 2 minutes, there are 4 lots of 30 seconds, because there are 60 seconds in a minute. So I stirred the soap base 4 times. So well done. So now we're just going to stir our nice melted soap base, and here is where you can add your optional soap colouring and your scents, which will be essential oils. You don't have to, but this is just something that would be nice if you do want to. Now we're going to pour it into our moulds. As you can see, I filled 2/6 of the spaces in the blue mould. I know that the whole of our soap base was 1,000 grams and that we've already used 333 grams of it. So how much do we have left? The amount we have left, 667 grams. I would like half of the soap base we have left to be green. So what is half of 667 grams? That is 333 0.5, which rounds up to 334. So you might notice that this is very similar to our calculation for what was a third. And the reason for this is that when you split a whole into 3 parts like that, which is what we did, we split it into 333, 3 parts. We then used that, made it pink, and we were left with this. We then split that in half, which is why we ended up with 333, near enough. And the reason why there's a slight difference is because we had used the rounded version, 333, rather than the more accurate version, 333.3 recurring. Because my weighing scales don't really go that far. So, what fraction of the soaps in this mould tray are green? What fraction of the soaps in this mould tray are pink? Also simplify your fractions. So there are 4 out of 6, which is 4/6 of them are green, which simplifies to 2/3. And for pink, 2 out of the 6 soaps are pink, which is 2/6, which simplifies to 1/3. So well done. So this is how the soaps turned out. They smell good, they feel good, and I really hope you had a lot of fun and you learnt a lot of maths. Please like and subscribe. Bye!